Well, terrific. Good for you. Really good for you. You decided you want to invest in real estate, and now you're about to purchase your first rental property in, I don't know, let's just call it Austin, Texas, Oklahoma City, whatever. And why you're doing it? Well, obviously, you're looking up for asking your friend and seeing what he or she did and where, and you're just following their footsteps, right? Makes perfect sense. Obviously, they did well. They purchased a house outside of Austin in 2020 or 2021, and they did well. And naturally, that's a great way to go, right? Austin is a great city. It is a great city. Has nothing to do with that. So what are you going to do? Are you going to follow their footsteps? Listen to someone who says, hey, only buy here, only buy there? Or come up with a formula, maybe with our help, that will tell you what's the best property for you based on your needs.